This morning, Lee had a great question in regards to how she can create a private listing, but make sure that it's not attached to any campaigns or attached to any kind of discount promos. So that way she can benefit the most and she could get all of her money. So eBay's not going to take any of the promos that we have set up or any of the discounts that we set up without also affecting any of the promos or campaigns. And we can still keep them running, or we just have to kind of like pause it or exclude it. So in this video right here, I'm just going to show you how I was able to assist her. But only way I was able to assist her is that she's also part of the Business Builder Mentorship Program. These are the benefits that you get. These are the things where I work inside of your account. I have team access where I'm able to make the flips and changes inside of your account. So you could just focus on the painting side. You could just focus on creating. And then I'm able to do the business operation side inside your account. I show you how I do it. You have personal access to me. So she reached out to me through my Telegram personal number. I was able to make the changes. I sent her this Loom video of how to make the quick changes and how you can do it too. But this is just a great tutorial lesson for you, how you could also do this too if you want to exclude certain items from your buy it now. But there's so many other gems that you could get as well when I work with you on a personal one-on-one. If you're interested in working with me on a personal one-on-one, then you could click the link below. So that way you could apply and you can see how I build your account up, or I worked with you, and then that way you're able to get your results. All right, check this out. Hey Lee, so I'm in your account right now, and I'm just going to show you what to do in the future, or what I did also right now, so you could just follow along. So the first thing that I did is you go to campaigns, and since it's a, let's see here, let's go to your actives first. Where are we at? Oh, here, status. Let's go to active. Now, just to be safe, so eBay doesn't try to be fancy and take any money from you, I like to be safe as well. Like I want to protect my money. So only thing that I need to pause is your dynamic campaign. Well, actually, I already paused it. So here, let me just show you. I already paused it. And this is your dynamic swing campaign. So, you know, the dynamic goes between either their suggested rate, which is 8%, or 37%. We don't need to have it. I already paused it. So what I need you to do is I need you to come in here where it says status, paused, or you could just go all, but preferably just go pause so you could just see this one campaign here. And then when they're done with the sale, make sure that they purchase it today. They're ready to purchase it within the next 3 to 4 hours. So that way you can come back in here and you can resume this campaign, so you could get back on to your promotions for everybody else to come into your store and get your impressions up. So after they purchase it, the money has already been sent. Go back here and resume it. Okay. I'm not going to press it right now. I already paused it for you, but just come back in there and resume it. Now, the next thing, marketing. This is your discounts, right? We want to make sure that they can't use a discount on it. We want to make sure that they can't use a promotion. We want to make sure that they can't use any kind of anything. All right. So we want to make sure that we're protecting your money. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to all statuses, which is right here. We're going to go active. And then this is the active coupons and clearances that you have on your account. So the first thing that I'm going to do is when it comes to coupon, you can just pause it. So they can't use a coupon. They can't use a 35%. Just pause it. So let me pause it right now for you. And then let's go to your 40%. What you're going to do is edit it so they can't use the 40% order discount. And we're going to exclude that one item. We're going to exclude that one item. So it's rule-based inventory. So here, only thing that we're going to do is go to, let's see here, view items and exclude. And I already have your order number up. This is your order number, right? That's the item we can exclude. But even if I didn't have your order number, I could just go to whatever the name was, private, rooster, or just rooster, right? And there it is. So I'm going to click on here, and then I am going to exclude it. See, you see down here in the blue where it says exclude items, we're going to exclude it. Boom. And then we're going to update. Bam. So that way we don't have to turn that off. Now remember, when you go back to the campaign, remember just go to paused, that one that we have, that's for the daily coupon. And then when you're done with the sale, when they made the money or whatever, or when you made the money, you go back here and then you just go resume after they purchase. But let's go back to active so I can see the other ones that we have. So we already took care of the daily coupon. Oh, no, we already took care of the order discount right now. We paused your daily coupon. The volume pricing is fine because volume is only if they're buying 3, 4, 5, whatever. So they're only purchasing that one. So we don't need to do anything with this one. And then the sell event is the clearance, right? We don't want to have that one on the clearance. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit the clearance. And then we're going to remove items. But here's the kicker. I'm just showing you this, but I already know it's not on the clearance because we didn't add it on there. This is a new item, so it's not even in the list on here. So for example, but even if you wanted to, just to be safe, you could go remove items, right? And then you can see it's not on your list, Rooster. You see, it's not even on there, or even that item number. It's not on there because it's a new listing and we didn't add it on there for the clearance. When it comes to clearances, they have to be a rule base where it's for like all inventory at that moment. So that's why I run them week to week, Sunday to Sunday, because it could grab anything that's new that was running throughout that week. It's not going to grab everything new. So then that's it. I don't need to update anything. I just need to cancel it. My mouse is acting weird. All right, there we go. So let's just cancel it. There's nothing new. All right. Excuse me. All right, so you're good to go. You can make the sell now. Go in there, make the sell, make the money. No one is going to take additional fees from you. It's all taken care of. But at least I showed you the video of how you can go about that in the future. That's how I do it, so nobody can take my money. All right, have fun with it. Let me know if you have any questions. So that's just a glimpse of my workday right there, going inside the systems, working the algorithm, working the different campaigns. So that way you can focus on the talent part. You can focus on the creative part. But I always say that it's not about talent. It's not about art. It's about systems. But if you don't want to focus on the systems part and let me control the operations, then that's what I do. That's just a small glimpse of what I do when I have access inside your account. If you want to learn more about this, how you can do this for yourself, because you can do this for yourself, and then this may replace your salary for your job, then click the link below. Join me on a one-on-one business mentorship, and I'll see you in the next video.